Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the world of data structures and algorithm with a focus on an essential concept, big O notations. If you are a programmer or an aspiring developer, understanding big O is a crucial skill. So stick around as we break it down into simple terms. So what exactly is big O notation? In a nutshell, it's a mathematical way to describe the efficiency of algorithm. Just like we have different measures for time, Big O provides a way to measure how an algorithm performs and how it scales along with the input size. Imagine it as a yardstick for comparing algorithms and understand their behavior as they process large data set. Understanding Big O is not just a theoretical exercise, it's a practical one. It helps you answer questions like how will my code perform as my data grows? By analyzing the time complexity of algorithm, you can make informed choices about which algorithm to use for a given task and optimize your code to handle large data set and different scenarios. Now let's explore some common Big O notations you will encounter. We have O of 1, O of log n, O of n, O of n log n, and O of n square. Each of these notations describe the upper bound of the algorithm's runtime as a function of the input size. That is, in simple terms, it gives the worst case scenario of the algorithm. Visualizing these complexities can be increasingly enlightening. Let's look at some graphs to compare the growth rate of different notations. You can see how dramatically they differ and why Big O is a critical factor in algorithm selection. Let's bring this theory to life, just JavaScript code examples. We will cover each notations and show you real code that corresponds to it. By the end of this segment, you should have a solid grasp of how to recognize these complexities in your. As a wrap up, I want you to leave you with some best practices. Understanding the Big O can be a game changer for your coding skills. It helps you choose the right algorithm for your problem and optimize your application for maximum efficiency. Before we finish, let's explore a few real world scenarios where Big O plays a crucial role for optimizing database to improve search algorithms and enhance web development performance.